sometimes I'm a podama. Then I walk out here, baby, man, or bleachy. Not just skin girl. Well, say, a mistake, no, nobody back to me, channel. And I'm a dear channel. What's a one and a woman? I'm a woman manager. What's a I don't know woman, no, now my woman manager. It shows how useless you are. Also, what I Penny girlfriend, her car will you see.
Near me, and it's a car, I comfortable. I condition me. I don't like too much flashiness. So, me have a crab of a petra, mammy, and I'm a topica. Not me, Diego. Near here, it's a car, air condition. Someone, saying, don't throw her, it's one, me pay, me, madame, be a semi hard worker. Hard worker.
Mzbel, everybody that knows me how hardworking I am. Obi baby be him how hardworking I am. Me can me did I say I bought it with my money? Me see me boyfriend they are best surprising me. Emu how the car and picture send you woman you to be ma. I'm to be ma.
Uko unse about onyonko abadwe hia. Ensan so ngu de wo fa papa na fa wo ni de m. Na hwentam.
Abusia a free da NDC4 ekodi ye mampeni da John Achikunkufo atem no yes sister efia eba bonten ebe trete NDC4 no se wo mo pa omo samra bonten ebe bokufo dim biem ensem a wode beba e de afa mampeni da John Dramani Mahama ho no ebeje NDC4 na kasansem abato no kra enye wo mo de na after se efia eka asa ensem we ewie no na video bi a yenim de da se eye ensem a eside da no asan akopagya ne hom ne so aba media no so de den de ne amanfo ni tia na 18 na kasa na wo kasa ho eno na ebinumu bisase so efia Schwarzenegger nensa ehye video yi ase ana so wakwakofa video yi aba epese odi discredit e mampenda da John Dramani Mahama ema abato ya ekwakoto yi ne ho esan egufu biem ana sa videos no na mabwa no amede eba beso mo mekai wo se aha eye too much GH subscribe my page se wonya ya waya so a medasi nyame sha o subscribe ya kai se wo de bell no ebeka ho se na ebe ya na upload bia ba onsa ebetimi aka ebusua ma yenko tie se ne videos no edi ehim ewo media ne so
enyo kwatie na sometimes ya na podama nenka wo kwatie bedi me no obilichi na just skin girl same well say a mistake no no bedi u ba ntimi nche no na me dia che no o te ho ane na wo ma na ma be wo manager o te ho ade na wo ano na ma ba be wo manager. It shows how useless you are. Also, what that Penny girlfriend, her car will you see.
Near me here, and it's a car, I comfortable. I condition me. I don't like too much flashiness. So, me have a crab of a petra, mammy, and I'm a topica. Not me, Diego. Near here, and it's a car, air condition. Someone saying, don't throw her, it's one, me pay, me madame, be a semi hard worker.
Mzbel, everybody that knows me how hardworking I am. Obi baby be him how hardworking I am. Me can me did I say I bought it with my money? Me see me boyfriend they are best surprising me. Emu how the car and picture send you woman you to be ma. I'm to be ma.
Uko unse about onyonko abadwe hia. Ensan so ngu de wo fa papa na fa wo ni de m. Na hwentam. No chira kwa na kana no masam o. Hey. Akwamu na achi ngrofo sem. Over what? Enti nipa abia ne ya ne bia nkasa no so kaden. Sa chicks mpo na bubom kokokokoko a. Akukọ na nkasa obekaden. Ene kokro obekade. Yeah, check. What would Akuko say? Akuko herself. I want to go see a woman every one. Hey, what? Kola mwaba mo predo.
Penny girlfriend, her baby I would say. Show fear, show me fear, her baby I would say. Her my life. Look at my calves. was a current crown. Also, was Wopu Passia because one was a watch and Jenny. I Jenny home or Yahoo she and Mediano and I stony them in difference of home. You will do so on moment, you know, but no jump money.
La Bismillah Muhammad lie. Make be never. When you would try Obi Kuno. Hey, that's an Obi Kuno. I now was the society to go Dawson. Now would even know be a sister? Wait, yeah, Facebook live wall. I almost go up I feel like ye. Oh, you are going to walk Instagram live. Come here, fool. Be there. I almost. Hey, we are running and some Obi Kuno and what can I some.
Miss Boakye, you, Miss Mahama, Miss Mahama. Oh, you me more bo. Oh, I am a mobile papa. Miss Bell was a me ya. Miss Bell was some hour ho papa at your age. Would you not a down way any? And I said, Miss Bell, me to my show to say, I'm sure you. Because we live on my statistics are dying. Now say you are nobody.
Bitch, relax. You are young. I'm old. Yes. I've done it all. Get to hear me, Tim Winner, minimum pressure. I just shared wisdom. Listen to this wisdom. Wow. And young Kwana Penny do. I had a padiamo. And you may bring Annie. Yes, social media and every and to my thing. A hatao. Wedding qualasem. Wedding quasias.
The house.
If you're a chamumia, no, and when you meet some more, made that. Yamasumi, the can't throw one. A moment, or she wouldn't let me. Or she wouldn't let me. Oh, that is there when I know you. Anything where I am popular. Somebody tells by you, chop some man. Now the man say, you know, go mind you again. Now you can't attack me, say, I say something. What I say? What I say, bitch, please calm down. And yes, sir, and yes, side check. Yes, side check, sir.
Hey! Me mama no, my straight boniface na me dey about so because my brain ya me Bible say, di una anywhere journey na won kwa aware wasase so, but we jimi ntimi kire onyansa. Wo betimi awo me, ade na we jimi sa. Fa ne se wa wo me na ma wo na nanom na, menya obi a wo hwe me. O how ne say?
Yeah, hello. Okay, it's very clear now. Me say, on say NDC no na edi ebebo mu se enua baako during 2016. I don't know, man, me who now. Yeah, I've seen some things before God and man. Me ohana obi the screenshot. Ama me. It may be Quran say what frame me now we US. Emma what frame me say what who caption be mistress. And I'm a catcher say me come from a screenshot.
You called me and you were
yes. I remember.
You were very upset. You wouldn't listen to anything I have.
And I'm a catcher or call. No. Yes, I remember. And I'll say me bune from TNT on funny serious. I remember. Come a number no screenshots in Brano. On the Instagram, will you see more than one account? Yeah, na picture be that here. Yes, and probably another dear or control papa account. No. Me, say I have 110 evidence that a woman will control account, which I can send you on WhatsApp now. I approached him myself. I said, I'm doing a Mzbel. And all these while, all you me say, now we all supporting because the capital not the amount. Now I can't natural. And I can't say, me chasso. And I'm saying, no, me chasso. Because I did not Mzbel, you know. What's it or the Sunday will hear it? So you want, or me, I'm not between the idea with you. Meanwhile, the message between you and Mzbel, I want me phone. So this is me the PR bontia. And somehow I did better and yeah, papa. So I spoke to my mom right now, and I'm saying, no, Miss Bell is like a big sister to me. Let me call her and let her know what is going on because the ethical one is not funny. I have thought about this thing the whole of this morning, so I just decided, say, no, let me call you. You can record and send it to him. What Vodafone number? Have you asked me how I got a Vodafone number? Because of the messages between the two of you. You want to fuck him at the end, Saudi bro, funky bro. I have everything on my phone. It's in the country and say, you are doing this. Yeah, I told him straight. Say,
screenshot of my messages.
Yes.
Unyawe.
On the phone, so.
Okay.
All pictures, any idea or the man, no, natural cash and I can't I have it. So I said, no. Get away in your medical company. It's not funny.
But it's a Mahama, like I chose me, na me managing an account.
And you're on the kind of me, who called me to say, have you checked your Instagram account? Who called me to say, what should I write? Now, see, I feel some by a call text saying, someone for say, Lodina. Like everything, I have the whole thing. You saw me come after them. Oh, no, gosh, you.
You saw it on his phone.
I saw it myself. I saw it myself. Say, ultra picture. No, they are sending, no, the caption, I can't want myself at home. I don't care. And you must say, any problem until I'm my friend. And yeah, editing now, what edited the sending or say, and maybe I did sending and say, you see, he's so good in bed, blah, blah, blah. Say, hey, who is doing this to me? It's a mommy friend, brother, because I say, edit me, edit the captions. So before the mommy, who you're not busan and went to me and denied him, all he said was, you so. Now, on one, Emma, and I was like, I don't care, but I don't know, editing in your bro. Or I tell you, yeah, bro, you even want him not to send me a picture on from my answer. And I will send a picture, I'm off on to Facebook on from my answer. I saw all of them, but I didn't hear me problem. The hospital bill now, about 20 million, I can't say channel. I have everything. You know, they say me, what evidence on my phone to 100% and some of them. About 2,000, and I'll say, a 500, and a 1,000, 200. It's two friends coming so. It's many questions are. Let's say we have Mr. Mzbel. About one thing. Yes, it's your number. I intentionally viewed the number in the chat. And I mean, say, you even came out to say, or you're around the channel. And I say, oh, 2 hour hospital bill, but only going to about 1. And I saw it on the phone to say, oh, send you 2,000, now, sir. And I say, oh, outside the country. About the Bible can one. And I buy my friends 5K, and I'll done a sister on Saturday, kind of 5K, than I say. I say, oh, I have them. So, the reason why I called you, you can tell it to him, and you're my friend. But Miss Rowe, everything, Miss Bo, I don't know what you are going through, so yes, sir. I will not blame you. Me, I cry, my phone said, Mrs. Penny. Me, I think you. But we do not put the Miss Rowe. Politics, my Indian, you're quiet, Miss Archer, to me, and your bonnet. And maybe I will find a question if I say, I'm very careful with me. I'm free with her. What to say? What cut my car? I don't do that. Because who come after man and can one family and cast out and injure me. It's no matter what I'm done and hustle. So I beg you in the name of God. You get more management campaign. But we Tracey me editor now the man on the dear. Please. You know baby I would call. Apart from Papa, minimum I will send them all. And what for the family whole time. Mzbel, me meeting one in you. Meeting will be messages me 8080, number 8080. Messages all the money nah. I have it on my drive. Do you understand? I tried to because I mean something could be denied, but he didn't deny. So I beg you in the name of God, please. Now you can say all according in your sending. I saw everything. I beg you.
I don't know where you are taking this, but I think that you just want me to know that you have access to his phone, and
it's not even about access to.
Everything you're saying, I
about I saw everything.
Everything.
I
don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know where it's going, but I get what you're trying to do. But it's fine. Are you done talking?
You see, you are still getting me wrong.
Are you done? Because I'm sitting here minding my whole business. You called to tell me all this. I don't think it's necessary what you see on his phone and what he tells you and what he cannot deny and all that. I don't think it's necessary. It should be between you and him.
Yeah, it's not even about
I don't know what you're talking about. And
it's not even about
anything. If you have a problem and you think it's me, you can sue me because you seem to have a lot of evidence.
Why would I sue you?
No,
it's like,
if you have a problem and you think you have evidence, I think you should sue me. That's the best way. Everything you're calling me to tell me now, I don't know where I'm.
And you know, the American, you like you only want to say, like I'm coming from a good way.
Me who baby Audi, fini baby Audi ko. And I'm maybe so say, are you done?
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you.
Bell, mommy, Mzbel, say what Jimmy, make sure some ya cry me nyansa. Na Mzbel, me no nya social media, me post me back kwaku. Mzbel. If you ask nigga na dey o ho che wo. Miss girl aboa. Kwasi aba. Obi okọ interview a woma ayi host questions a womu saw. I don't know dream me ho sa Mzbel. Mzbel, I don't know dream me ho sa. Korin sani ba oba wa tro. Mzbel ho fon ho kan we oba anka maje boy. We oba me di 16 years na me wo UK wonyum na me didi me birthday. Ene manyina beto masa abobreja. Mzbel onyum 16 years. Me di 16 years na me wo UK. Wonyum 16 years. Eno na me didi me birthday. Na me wo UK. Me di 16. Wonyum. Sata na your sister Penny. Me kwa me kasa wa bobro. Mzbel me de me kasa wa bobro. Uko han wo dan tantan ye mu afumure. A wo gina mu na wo dwu hu na mu se wa jimi se wo ni hwe. Mzbel de wanyina drai. E da we. Utimi jani mu etwa picture. Hey. Na Mzbel wo se do sika ye dai. Empanifo adi wo nyina Mzbel. Wo do sika ye dai. Mzbel eh. Wo si wo di wo sika no wo de ye dai. Ene de dan amu afumura. Mzbel dan amu afumura. Ene wa kon han ne 1 year. Ena wo yemba he bra na menhwe wate. Mzbel bra na menhwe. Korin sani ba te se wo. Na wani hu. Mzbel wo yemba te se me. Eno am your life no na me se me mama di 20 years no way. Ano pay mama no frame me on me ka say you correct me. I say mind you, I was 18, I wasn't 20. And to Mzbel no me mama ye pe. Because Mzbel according to sources 41 no boa wanyini. Wo ya brewa. Mzbel me boy se me kan cho so twa so afu dwene. Wo se wa di dwene no eno ne ho. Wo tire mo dwene no se afu wo ase nyina. Mzbel twa so dwene, wo twa so white. What eh? Abuata Mzbel shiama bonteni ankontokwa. Meme yenye life o. Shiame wa bonteni ankontokwa. Me se this year je besi enye masem. No politician should call me. More politicians should call me. Now, the official say that you know, if sir, say me come here. The official you know, if sir, foolish woman, what's yaba? A boy from Mzbel.
Entebusia sa videos a edi ehim ewo monten so aikokotie ya ye sister Mzbel ene Tracey Boakye videos a e bad dada kra we edi ebeja ene papa no eno na asan koma ne homne so de dendi ya binom e trese we de eye afiansa ena e hyase bi so e trese ye kodie se eto afia e trese o video de baba begu na Mahama ni mu ase no se video we de se afia ensa ena hyase ya ne wo mo chen se we de afia ka won ye hwe im se sa video de eye video dada ye nim dada eno entimi anya Mahama hentanya afi a aka kakra me akwakoto aba no ena ye wo se odo nsa e kwakwahye video we ase ama na ba beto monten so a ebetimi aba begu Mahama ehu fi ana ebetimi ama na aba na Ghana fo esigina so wo mkwakoto ama no omo besesa e de afiri hu we no eye ensem a amanfo no e ka e wo media no so after se video yi e ba beda monten amede aba besom mo aha eye too much GA subscribe my page na fe fa bell no e ka ho sa no upload bi aba unsa ebetimi aka all the social media handles no ko ho a eye too much GH like wo ho na share so e fama me my crowd.